we are going to discuss about the topic is the name is electrostatics. So electrostatics is nothing but, you have already heard about electrostatics. Electro is nothing but charges. Static is nothing but rest. So topic is the main heading is electrostatics. Electrostatic is nothing but charges at rest. So this is the main important area. Charge can be classified into two types. So naturally, you have already learned in the lower class section, charge can be classified into two types. One is called positive charge. Another one is negative charge. The positive charge is nothing but loss of electrons. So it is called positive charge. Negative charge is nothing but gain of electron. So it is called negative charge. So next the basic properties of electric charge. Electric charge, Q is equal to Ne. So this is called quantization of charge. Q is nothing but charge. N is nothing but the charge of an electron. So you have known about the charge of an electron is value is E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So this is the charge of an electron. Atom is the basic fundamental is two charges. One is called positive and negative. Positive is called as protons. Negative is called as electron. The electron charge is put in the symbol is minus. Proton charge is put in the symbol is positive. E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So the upper part is the negative charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So lower is the positive charge of proton equal to plus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Q is equal to Ne. N is nothing but the least integral multiple amount of charge. Least integral multiple amount of charge is nothing but the N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So up to N number of times. So this is called quantization of charge. This is called quantization of charge. Quantize is nothing but charges are discrete. So it is called quantization of charge. So in the previous years of NEET question today, this is the main concept of electrostatics there. In this area, how do we ask the previous years of NEET question and any other competitive exam in the past and the medical oriented type of questions? Already you have known the formula for the quantization of charge is the formula is Q is equal to Ne. You have well known the formula. The question is asked in the previous years of based on the competitive exam in the medical oriented type of question is, if a charge on a body is 1 nanocoulomb, if a charge on a body is 1 nanocoulomb, how many electrons are present in the body? How many is represent the number of electrons? How to modify the formula? N is equal to Q by E. N is equal to Q by E. Q is nothing but given. What are the 1 nanocoulomb? Nano is nothing but the 10 power minus 9. Charge of electron, you have known the formula. You have value the formula. Charge of electron equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Charge of electrons equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 9. So denominator go for numerator, put in the symbol is plus 19. So 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 power 10. So cancellation that. So 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 power 10 equal to the value is 0.625 into 10 power 10. So this is the answer. But the question option is 0. Question first option is 6.25 into 10 power 27 is not possible. See 1.6 into 10 power 19 is not possible. 6.25 into 10 power 28 is not possible. The answer is 6.25. So 2 digits will be putting the symbol 6.25 into 10 power So 9. So answer is accurately correct. Okay. I will give another more examples of frequently asked in the same topic wise the formula is quantization of charge. I will give the question now. The question is the number of electron in 2 coulomb of charges. But what are the values are given? Q is equal to 2 coulomb. So you have known the formula basically. Quantization of charge formula, Q is equal to NE. N is equal to Q by E. Q value is given. Q is equal to 2. E is nothing but charge of an electron. Charge of an electron you have value this is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So 2 divided by 1.6 into denominator go for numerator put in the symbol is positive 10 power 19. So 2 divided by 1.6 is the answer is 1.25 into 10 power 19. So 1.25 the answer is suitable answer is the B. Option B is correct. 12.5 into 10 power 18. That's it. Yes. A has the sphere of the charge is minus 50E. B has the sphere of the charge is plus 20E. So the question is given is the spheres are made up of conducting material and are in identical sides. The condition is given for if the spheres touch each other. First sphere is A, the second sphere is B. A has a charge of minus 50E. B has a charge of plus 20E. The charges is moved from high to low. The meaning is the charges is flow from B of the sphere is to A of the sphere. B has the positive charge. A has the negative charge. That rule is already known that the positive charge is nothing but the loss of the electron. Negative charge is nothing but the gain of an electron. Negative charge is nothing but gain of an electron. Negative charge gas gain of an electron minus 50E plus Q. So another one is losses of the electron plus 20E minus Q. The total charge is calculated. Minus 50E plus terms come for left hand side minus 20E equal to minus Q minus Q. Total is minus 2Q. Total charge is minus 50E minus 20E is equal to minus 70E. So minus minus cancel. 2Q is equal to 70E. Q is equal to 70E divided by 2. The answer is 35E. So this is the net charge. Yes.